Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, April 23. And ang topic po natin for today is paano magmahal ng walang kapalit or foreknowledge. So ano po ba yung foreknowledge? In scripture po, foreknowledge is not just God knowing facts about people in advance. It's a relational and personal God setting His power or God setting His love upon certain individuals before creation, choosing them for salvation, or choosing them for salvation. So this truth is closely connected po to the doctrine of election. It reminds us that our salvation is not random or earned, but rooted in God's eternal love and sovereign grace. He knew us intimately and lovingly even before we were born. So, ang scripture po natin for today is Romans chapter 8 verse 29-30. Sabi ko po, for those God foreknew, He also predestined to be conformed to the image of His Son, that He might be the firstborn among many brothers and sisters. And those He predestined, He also called. Those He called, He also justified. Those He justified, He also glorified. So ano po ba yung ibig sabihin po yun? Kung ating Panginoon po, before pa po tayo panganak or before pa po tayo niya likhain, alam na po niya yung mangyayari sa atin, or alam na po ng ating Panginoon yung sarili natin or yung pagkatao natin, lahat, hindi po secrets, lahat ng gagawin, lahat ng ating tinatago, kumbaga lahat ng buong ugali natin. Of course, gaya nga po niyan is love na love pa rin po tayo ng Panginoon, and pinakita niya pa rin po sa atin na mahal po niya tayo sa pamamagitan po na pagbibigay po or pagbigay niya sa atin, pag-sacrifice ng kanyang anak na si Jesus Christ po in order for us to be saved. So ang ating teaching po for today is God's foreknowledge is not just for knowing but also for loving. Hindi lang po alam ng ating Panginoon yung mangyayari sa atin, kundi mahal na mahal po tayo. Mahal na mahal po niya tayo kahit ano po yung mga kasalanan po na nagagawa natin. So, second teaching is God's foreloving is the basis of Ordo Salutis, for whom predestined, called, justified, and glorified. So, third teaching is God's covenant relationship with us began from the eternal heart of God. So, ay lang po, ako si Godfrey Quizon, and this is my devotion for today. So, April 23, sana po ay marami kayong tutunan. Ay lang po, and God bless.